Alright, you should have your Sisel Kaffe blogging system homepage ready by now. This video is a walkthrough of the whole process that I use to dominate the search engines. I don't expect you to understand everything at this point. It's going to take you a little bit of time to catch on to this, but I want to show you how easy it actually is to get your website in front of people using these methods. This is an overview of what I'm about to do. Step 1, make up a new web page. Step 2, upload and point many videos at this page. Step 3, write a video description properly. Step 4, do a little bit of backlinking. Step 5, lather, rinse, repeat. I am going to use a keyword phrase that is easy to get into the search engines for the sake of saving time. It can take a few weeks to get harder words in front of people. Let's get started by going online. Alright, I went ahead and I boot up a web page here, and as you can see right there, it's waiting for a video to go on it. What I need to do is make up a video, and I need to upload it to YouTube, and I need to make up the description the proper way so that it's going to get a backlink to this website. So right now I'm going to go and make up a video. Alright, you're going to notice a lot of videos on my desktop here, and videos are very handy for this. I'm actually supplying a bunch for this blogging system. So let's go to YouTube. You click Select Files to Upload. You choose your file. Open it. And let it upload. I'll pause the video while it does. Alright, now you add your description to it. And this is the description I'm using. You should always start out with a keyword phrase that you're trying to rank for. And this is going to be a very easy one for me. You click here, and then the URL that you're trying to get ranked in the search engines. And you can pause the video and read this. You will notice that it has many keywords and related keywords here. And at the very end of it, you go, want more on the Sisel Kaffe blogging system, or whatever your keyword happens to be. Then you double space it and go click here for my YouTube channel. Your YouTube channel right here. Now you highlight all this and copy it. Take it back here and paste it right in here. You add your tags and don't use too many tags. And of course, make sure your YouTube username is in your tags and your name. Let's copy this. Take it back and paste it right here. Now some YouTube channels will let you upload a custom thumbnail, which is a cover image. I'm going to do that right here. Save changes. Now you copy this, whatever keyword phrase you're trying to rank for, you add to new playlist, and you call your playlist the name of what you're trying to rank for. And I'm going to go in depth in this in the future. This is just a brief overview of what I do. Click Create Playlist. Now that video was just added to it. You click on this and it'll open up. Pause it. Right click, copy embed code, take it back to a document and paste it. And the right size for most blogs is 580. So your size for the average blog should be 580 by 360. Now you copy all of this, and what I'm going to do with this is take it and paste it on a blog post. But first, back on YouTube, what you want to do is like this video. You want to share it on Facebook. And right here you can just type in whatever fits. In this video I talk about the Sisel Kaffe blogging system. And you share it. And then you send it out on Twitter just like this. And I will show you how to connect your Facebook account to your YouTube account to your Twitter and Facebook accounts. And share it to Google+. Again, you can use the same comment. Share it. Now let's go back and pick up the HTML code, and let's go and paste it on our blog. Here's the HTML code. Simply copy it. Let's edit page. And right here, you can see where the video is. Click on it, hit your delete button, place your X's here. This is so you know where to paste the HTML code. Hit text. You find your X's, highlight them, and you paste the HTML code right there. Now let's update this. And go back to Visual and View Page. And the page is ready, and the video is ready, and you can see it's only 1 minute and 12 seconds long. And the keyword again that I'm trying to get on the search engines for, that I'm going to get on the search engines for, is the Sisel Kaffe blogging system. I chose an easy word just for demonstration purposes here. And right now I do have it closed until further notice. I want some of this training completed before I take on too many clients, let's say. And it's ready to go. And this is where the Sociable plugin comes in. From here you share it to Twitter, Facebook, StumbleUpon, and so on. And these places here, if you don't have accounts with them, you should have, but we'll get into that in the future. This is just a brief overview. Okay, let's move on to our next step. And my next step is taking this video right here. That's the 17-minute video that's on this web page right here. It's the first one that you watched, actually. And I split it up into 5 videos. That's these ones right here. I'm going to take them and upload them. First, I'm going to rename them. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, and Part 5. I'm going to take these 5 videos. I'm going to upload them to YouTube. And as for the description, it's going to be sending people right back to the same website. Let's take this, paste it right here, and this short video is about the Sisel Kaffe blogging system. This is video 1 of 5 short videos. The rest I'm going to leave exactly the same. This time, for my keywords, I'm only going to use the Sisel Kaffe blogging system and my YouTube username. So I'm going to go and do that right now, and then I'll come back with the next step. There is one minor change that I'm going to make in the description. Instead of sending them to my YouTube channel, I'm going to send them to that YouTube playlist that I made. And the way that you find out the URL of the playlist is go to my channel. You click on playlists right here. And click right here on the Sisel Kaffe blogging system. And you copy this. You go back to your document and you change this right here, and here you put click here for my YouTube playlist. Now we can highlight all of this, copy it, take it back to the first video, paste this right here, go over to number 2, paste it again, except scroll up to here. This should change to video 2. Same thing for video 3. Same thing for video 4. And same thing for video 5. Now we come back and pick up those two keywords. Copy. Paste. All 5 of them. And just to keep track of these inside of the search engines, I do add the custom thumbnail to each one so that I will be able to recognize them when I'm checking on my results. So I'm going to upload this video thumbnail. And again, I'm going to come back to each video, copy this, add to that playlist, same thing for each one. And the way this is done just changed since last week. YouTube has made changes. And I use Control-C for copy. Keyboard shortcuts are pretty cool. And finally, video 5. Add to the Sisel Kaffe blogging system. Now again, I'm going to open up each one. And I'm going to go back and do the same thing as I did in the first one. I'm going to like it, share on Facebook with a description, and let's highlight this and copy it, and tweet it. And send it out on Google+. And I'm going to finish up the other 4 videos, and I'll be back to show you what's next. And what is next is going to Dailymotion and logging into your account. If you don't have one, sign up for an account. It's free. Click on Playlists. Click on Create a Playlist, and you name your playlist the keyword that you're ranking for. And description, I am going to use this playlist will give information on the Sisel Kaffe blogging system that is available here. And what this does is it gets your URL linked back from a website with an Alexa ranking of 94, which is very good for your website. Click Save. And now what I want to do is upload video. And I'm not going to go through all 5 with you here. I'm just going to go through one. But I am going to upload all 5. Part 1. Open it. And channel for this is going to be, let's use tech. Description, use the same description. Tags. I'm just going to use these 2. And you want to click on Add to Groups Playlists. Choose the Sisel Kaffe blogging system. And as soon as you're green here, you're good to go. Save. And I'm going to upload all 5 of these on this channel. Another video channel that I use to do this is going to be my GVO account. This is where I have my dedicated server, and I highly recommend their autoresponder service. So I also have a video hosting account with GVO, so let's click on it. And let's upload. Let's paste our description here, the title, and as for tags, these are done a little bit differently. Tags for GVO would be like this. You need to hit your underscore to tie your words together. And then space, and then my YouTube username. And I'm going to copy. I'm going to paste these here. You can choose up to 3 categories. I'm going to go business opportunities, special events, submit. I browse. I find part 1. I open it. And I upload it. And it is finished. GVO, you choose the month, the date, the year, your location, your country, and you update video. Now I'm going to upload the other 4 of them, and let's talk about this process for a minute. Let's go to a WordPad document. A good rule of thumb for this process is 5 videos to 5 video hosting sites. Now really good to use video hosting sites are YouTube, of course, because Google owns YouTube. Dailymotion is an extremely good one. Metacaffe is a good video hosting site. The thing about Metacaffe though is lately there have been people having problems finding the upload tab. Vimeo is a very strong video hosting site. The thing about them is you do not want to advertise MLM. They call MLM pyramid schemes. GVO is extremely good. You can upload them directly to Google+, and there are hundreds of video hosting sites out there. So find 5 videos, upload them to 5 sites. Depending on how hard the keyword is that you're trying to rank for, you might have to do this day after day after day for a while. But this, in a nutshell, is basically the method that I use. And if we go to Google right now, and the Sisel Kaffe blogging system, and I hide my private results, there's Dailymotion right there at number 1 and number 2. And there's YouTube at number 3 and at number 4. So you see how quick that works. And they're actually outranking Sisel Kaffe themselves. And there you go, pure leverage. This is GVO. GVO again. GVO again from earlier on. And Sisel International. Now there you go. I don't use anything that doesn't work. I don't spend any money that I don't feel that I need to, and everything I do has a purpose. Now there's going to be some in-depth, secret, private training locked away inside of the membership site. It's going to help you save a lot of money. It's going to help you sponsor a lot of distributors. So I hope you enjoyed the overview of the basics of how I built my Sisel Kaffe business, and I'm going to teach you how to build yours the same way, and that would be to build it online.